1, 2.
Dapat tabi ka sa kanya.
Welcome guys, thank you for coming to celebrate Steph's advanced birthday party with us. And for the surprise, I'm gonna be the chef for the day, so don't expect much. It's my first time cooking for anybody. I only cook for somebody special.
Parang dapat nandun ka. Akin na to. Ayoko.
Go din.
Ulitin ha.
Hindi, tuloy mo na lang. Tuloy mo na yung kasunod.
And I am that someone special.
Ano siya eh?
I'm gonna shield my face.
Hold it up.
The worst water. That's straight. Ay, nawala yung chef ko. At I'm an independent woman. Kaya ko to. Hindi, babe, kaya ko.
Kaya mo yan.
Don't worry, Sean.
Yan yung apaw.
Yay!
I always thought I might be bad. Now I'm sure that it's true. 'Cause I think you're so good, and I'm nothing like you. Look at you go, I just adore you. I wish that I knew what makes you think I'm so special.
Yeah.
I'm an idiot fan.
Ketchup eh.
Tomato jam.
Actually may cream cheese pa, dapat magkahati yan. Tapos pagka-tigin ko, parang ketchup tsaka mayo.
Our beautiful CJ's European salad. What's European about it? I don't know.
That's fine.
Lettuce! Lettuce
The flowers. Bakit ano?
It's really edible ba?
I think so. Yeah,
Third dish, medyo experimental.
meatball pasta po ba?
Oh!
Bulol ako dun ah.
Then pasta po.
Ako rin I was like, what's meatball pasta fuck?
Wait, so sino team sabaw?
Ako.
So you think it's a soup? You think it's a meatball pasta on a soup? And then ikaw? What do you think the meatball pasta for is?
Pasta.
Oh my god, same tayo. Feeling ko yun.
So tayo lang yung ano.
So kayo may soup, sa amin walang soup. So we are about to find out who's correct. Kasi very full of surprises yung chef natin, no? Wait, so sino tama? Is it soup?
Oh, noodles ba yun? Hindi na sama yan. Is it rice noodles?
So it's squid. It's pasta or it's a pho?
Parang it's pasta eh.
Wait, does it look
rice
like...
noodle, that's crabsticks.
Yeah, that's what Wait, nasa dito yung crabstick? Wala.
Wala din eh. Actually, kailangan kasama sila pero sinama ko na.
Wow!
Ah,
Galing!
tingnan nga natin. Game.
Explain muna. Explain. Ano yung thought process mo dito?
Wala eh. Kala ko pwede siya maging noodles eh. Dapat it's supposed to be like a pasta pero
It was supposed to be a pasta, tapos yung pho yung noodles. Tama? It was supposed to be a pasta na pho yung noodles?
Pwede pa naman, edible.
Wait, so what was it supposed to be? The pasta na parang pho yung noodles?
Yeah.
Oh! Wait, we get that. Yes.
Pampagulo lang.
Parang distraction!
I told you guys. Yung sipi niya.
Saan?
Hindi ko alam. Basta likod yung daan niya is likod.
Talaga? Use this gift to show your how you inspire me and to show parang ano mo sabihin. Like you just show your kindness and show your adventures and excitement about your happy birthday.
Yay! Ano to? Nakuha sa ba to?
Yeah. Check off.
Gold?
Ikaw.
Gold!
I was right.
Ayaw mo.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you cooking? Ano? What are you cooking? Hello. Jay, look.
Thank you.
Welcome to afternoon tea. Na right after lunch kasi we finished lunch at 4 p.m. Afternoon tea with Steph. Oh my god. We will be trying this tea. Very famous Electro. Igagay mo lang? Yeah, so you take it off. And then mawawala na siya forever. Yung wax. Yeah. Oh my god, i-video mo muna kasi ang ganda ng wax. Before siya magtakapag, nasira ko pala siya. Akala ko I get to keep the wax sa siya. It's a one-time stitch.
Parang kitay, tapos na end. I just tried them on.
Wow! Uy, ito ang ganda! Nakaganyan. Oh, yes! Anong percentage ng alcohol?
17.
17? Yeah.
Too high, too low.
Why?
Cheers.
Cheers, ba?
Cheers ka naman isa.
So, tapang.
Kaya pinipicture next year.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wala namang candle.
Shot na lang!
Shot!
Hey! Congrats!
Parang napaka-slow shot niya kasi sa cream.
Ano wish mo for me 29?
I already got my wish.
I'm trying to, like a Mary.
Ay, wow! Akala ko kasi naman yun nasa likod.
Paano ba? Wait, tapos mo na gano'n. Pagin ko.
With the ketchup watching. Get that cake.
Hindi magano pa.
Watch out.
Hirap sa'yo na yan.
Kaya babawi.
Swerte ka may miko kasi pag walang miko baka naging trio. Charot!
Ano yung naging trio kami? Sorry, never mind.
Alam mo yun, di ko siya nag-gets pero sinupportan ko siya. Kaya ako pa din ako.
Okay, never mind.
Wala na eh.
Na-misunderstand.
Nipisan mo lang.
Paano ko nagkasin?
Yeah, why not?
Diet? Ano gawa to ni Jillian? Actually, parehas to gawa to ni Jillian one. Kaya sabi ko, I'll start with Jillian's cake, but which one? Yung front guy, yung cake ah. Wait, it's already! Let's go! Wait lang!
Tingnan mo, look at those innocent frogs.
Kill it.
Wow, this view though.
Yeah. Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you, baby. So, what's your favorite part about Babe?
Today?
I wait, like, look at the camera though. What is your favorite today?
I guess cooking for you.
Talaga?
Yeah. I usually just order in. Pero for you, I cook. Diba? Ikaw, what's your favorite?
I don't know. Like, the fact that you cook, I was really surprised.
Kasi parang, you know, it's a big labor of love. And I know kasi na
It's
you don't
fucking
even like
expensive.
cooking. Now we know why like all those cooking are horse.
When I calculate it, siya parang mas sulit pa kayo.
So, nahulog ako.
Talaga?
Oo!
Talaga. Ano yung expect mo?
Ano yung expect ko? Ano lang, you know, we order in. It's my charcuterie.
Yeah.
Kasi alam ko yun ang request ko yung charcuterie eh.
Dapat nga Japanese kami una eh.
Oo nga, sashimi.
Pero kasi sabi ni Fumi, parang tanga daw ako. Parang ang pangit daw ng... Parang lalaki daw ako mag-isip. Ang pangit ng team. Kasi team mo na nga garden tapos Japanese. Sabi ko,
Pero sa totoo lang.
makes sense.
Hindi, masusto ko Japanese.
Actually, nabili ko na ingredients sa Japanese.
Kaya ba tayo may crab stick sa meatball? We're having dinner. What are we having for dinner, chef?
Steak.
Girl dinner. Steak. Sean.
Oh shit, sorry.
Ba to?
Di ba? Baga ako nagluto. Sarap no?
Drop?
Tell mo kay La Jill.
Yeah, I'll send this to them. Super good.
Sorry you didn't experience this.
Grabe, this is so good talaga. Grabe. So soft. Kaya pala sabi niya, mag-steak kami para makabago siya.
Good meal ako.